Hindi ka ba naha-hire because of your accent? Listen to this and listen well. Because... Backstory, I just closed a client. He's hiring 2 VAs, and since this is for an appointment setting position, I was just taking notes kung ano yung mga requirements niya at hindi niya requirements ang maganda ang accent. So medyo So may napaisip ako, di ba? Like, how could that possibly be when most clients that I've worked with, kapag appointment setting position, ang hinahanap nila is yung maayos ang accent. And he was like, no, that's okay. There's AI for that. And I'm like, anong AI? Sumagot siya, crisp. Very casually, sabi niya, crisp. So let me share it with you. Kung ikaw ay hindi ganun ka-perfect ang accent, okay lang yan. Sabi ko nga, matagal ko nang sinasabi to, na mas importante is comprehension. Naiintindihan mo kung ano yung sinasabi mo at kung ano yung sinasabi sa'yo. Pagkatapos, kung ikaw ay naka-crisp na pro, i-click mo lang yung crisp icon, click setting, sa pop-up, click on accent conversion. I-on mo lang yung show accent conversion. Right now, ang meron pa lang sila is Indian accent to English. But, ladies and gentlemen, Filipino accented English coming soon. At pagbalik mo sa Chris, nandyan na siya, pwede mo nang i-on at i-off. So let's say you are doing this via Zoom, i-click mo lang ito, pagkatapos make sure na ang pinipili mo ay Chris.
So this is how I sound like with the accent conversion of Crisp.
Try nyo na rin. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!